the share Ankane Ghana Penny or John Dramani Mahama say Adeba pe Adeba Cope be on farmer to ya the witty me aye. Ede afa free senior high school eho we challenger omo true ede amano nyina no nsema hodua wo chese Ankane Ghana wampanim ewa John Dramani Mahama ede atudwa ede afa free senior high school no wo chese he said the aba ebetina senye se ebia sa aban we sisa na na aban neba obetwam na same way na manfo kasa ase owura John Dramani Mahama ya adane na no anadwe ba bedi eho enkomo onyanfo Collins osu amankwa mrahye ede ema adehia wo mention of honorable ewufie hanom enne anadwe so na owura kodwedankwa so no okọ amaiko NDC mu a owura so etonkra ede ema party no mpedifo nya ye krado a adaje enipo so mo nyina kwaba na afenkomo no ede aihye so enne anadwe onyanfo chief mu akwaba
Yenu akwabrane
patona boko de
yakopo adomenia
empesua so
yame adom bibia koso boko.
That's right that's it kojo mwakwaba
akwabrane meje so
onia apom
jana ye na afamu de yentumi complain.
That's right
yetin kwa moja redi afrisane a techre madabodwe mu de ebeda nyame ase
na hofe no so adwaro papa
oni say exams anko fail
isao
bisa simple question na fe uwie ya wo say to aso
se akoso ba de japan sa
o taye exams
comfort then honso ano e
o ta trosa isao
kojo message say e dey free one kasa wo san say asema ira John Dramani Mahama edi tudwa no eno ena agina so ema yemampani abede chi so de beso dwa say alternative ba ko pe on fan tudwa ever free senior high school ti asem we edi fi yemampani abede chi ho a opanyi NDC for say ena musiji no
onia medase mini kan chiao me fan chia magana for ene ni titu NDC for a ena nwumiri o magye adwa na anadwi wo mutie meneo ene mini opinion honorable Collins Osu amankwa no kwene ne se ne edi kan no ade ba ko a wo se ye ka ne to Ghana futrim na obi ate ase ne se ye ka free senior high education mpempi no aya ye nuanom MPP fo won pese o mo de bom ho safo hene se wo mo anedi kan adwene ho wono ne okwohye akukuam e bo sa po no e fa sa adwene ne se woman the free senior high education eba but no kran so ne say e was a Ghana fo nyina hunu say free senior high education no enye nipakuo bi wo mo trimu pono no enye MPP fo o ma adwene no enye o mo no ko she dem boss apon na mum Ghana mamra eye enfi apem ahankron aduokron mienu 1992 eye constitution ene o mampanyin na adanko akufo ado de ye adwuma no ana ehye aban bia say I was say free senior high education. Now we have constitution ni mo. Constitution no we have article 25 of the constitution. Etifia duonu nu na. Etire mu pefe. We have article 25 1B now. Say secondary education in 8 different forms including technical and vocational education shall be made generally available and accessible to all by every appropriate means, and in particular by the progressive introduction of free education. Eti ni amamra na chere say Constitution of Ghana chere say free senior high education no ya de a we wo ho ayi say wo se de ba asa aban bia. Eti Constitution no ana abosa asa na eden ato ho enti de dika wo se Ghana for what ase say eni enuanom anyo mutim pono no na eye Constitution ana ma ho kwan say sa de na eden eba ni dika ni atoso mienu sa free senior high education semu aye kan ne machire say Constitution na ma ho kwan boss asa ne to ho no yanya penso NDC a penso wa bra ye din kunim e wo 2012 eye general elections no yante ana and ye adwene say ye the free senior high education no ye de beba na ye NDC de ye je aman na mamara ni di ye di constitution di enti ye ka say ye be kono senior constitution ye den e kire enti ye the progressively free senior high education beba na sadia ye de ba he no wo be kai ya pencil enumu ana ye ma ye over in 2015 more over 10,400 females ye two friends and school come on free a woman to yahwe emu no ana okaya school for no secondary school sabre no over a year 457,800 woman so no there's certain element in their school fees ye sad ni na ye den e free mo o hwe element bi to say exams fee, science development fee, sports fee, culture fee, maths and science fee ni na ye free mu ma ahofo awofo ho ye den hane wom Ubakaya enumu no ye see 123 new day secondary schools nan ye kan say empempi no so bi ego mi kromo ye osu no na se owie GHS ya ma na so ne de na koto se hwida so yes won ko ho enko secondary school ho no so e bia na ya ma ne day students ho na awofo na wo afei na wo so ko handan ti John Dramani Mahama it same say jata woda eso da ye pa ano ka se da bi yensi free senior day secondary school senia empatam mu nipa no wono se bia owie ne se ne GHS na ye de na to ho ofrifi a wako school ofri school a wako fie na emfa ekabo emfa mmere eye awofo eti sani mawe na ye de progressively free education no ye de hyase a ne ye bo ho ye dawuro ye di ho dwuma ma Ghana fo ma enya ho faso de na sase ma mi kai wa hwe ya be wa adwene se ye bosirim ka keke na me be ka enya de ye bosirim ka o mampanyin ye na o ye mampanyin na nado dan kwakufu adumpo agi to mu se John Dramani Mahama wa bo ho modene se wa introduce ye free senior high education enti wo se ye bo wa ba so eti eba ne sen eno okane hene okabana ne ehun se me kwadwe dan kwade me ba se bi o enya se me betena ha keke me ba den krata e betre and you know this ehwe we City FM online
okay
Mahama frees SHS good news for Ghanaians na nado dan kwaku for pacho cameras na wa ha en capture na tie fo
we date be ma me
pacho je na hwe ubetimi no wa yi na ma check ma cross check e online honum eti John Dramani Mahama ayesa ni man na ma na do kra board abaso se John Dramani Mahama wo ye ose ade ayo ose ade a wo yo wo ye bemem eti nanka wo bo ayo mampanyi John Dramani Mahama penso no na fofia ntoata na watimi adware abam na ubegi abanya in 2016 no nanka ye na ye gidie ne se wo ba no anka ne a ye ya wo bo ya baso no wo ba no wo ba betoa so na Ghana fo ate ho de me sem bi so ade a ye ya na do boy abaso no eno ne na do ye ya na ne di kan na dan kwakufu ado ni MPP be fa ba nwa no omo share free SHS omo implementation of free SHS no omo share ase da ana ade a ebi enter see in our secondary schools your friend yare do my friend CSM cerebrospinal meningitis etu etete in various secondary schools nipa wu ye na awofo gusu etwa bobena wo mafiefie me ba to okay okay say expert and medical officers be ka say sa CSM no a ekum nkrofo no ni na is because of a more person your brony friend congestion me ba to and also on kai say see it is a congestion no and ekum mofra into implementation kotobekuma implementation no and na eku Ghana for ma nyedi kan no ne to so mienu kotobekuma implementation na awokofa bae no eno ne double track ne aban we e dia eden e dia ba na wo double track ne nipa bebre na say e trouble track ko University of Ghana Lagos na ko political science department en check ra anomo ye nhwehwemu bi a be da adwa say double track aban we dia ba no Ghana fo dodo no aye sesa de yechi ayade ayempe ayade ayensososo enti sa ban we ya hwe no anyi double track na mfiri ho a wan hwe yi a ye beto abatia in 2020 and ne Ghana fo be den e beto aba atia ayaban we in 2020 and one year wako a double track ubefie na say wo so betena fie bosomem miensa ba me bi wo me ho o se kwadwo dan kwa se me ba efi ache motaba ara wo sem o betena fie bosomem miensa bosomi bia no subject ba ko bia metua 100 Ghana cedis wo ye 8 subjects
so that's extra classes
yes extra class it bosomem no metua 800 Ghana cedis tete ho no 8 million and watche Opepe enwotwe on otua bosumi bia enti bosumi miensa na akwala ni etina fie no wo tua sika pole eye million aduonu enan aden kotobekumuma implementation ena de we na den e de aba enti omampanyini na adan kokufu ado ni implementation no e de how e de amane hunu ena kwa ye secondary schools na kwa he mrante ne maba wa e wo sen ko mo tena classroom mo da dormitory wo mo na de da fam wo bereko ayesi 123 at various stages of completion. I wasn't kawie na nkomunya kwan den ekum. And the report to cry be there because of Kotobekuma implementation. And the World Bank they abetu just say ya in the next 18 years Ghana your friend is saying human resources would be greatly affected about higher human resources. Wo muntimi ni dwuma e wo so mo yeden wo mudi. And also enye bosremuka. And also hon krata nie me pa cho ahai ehefa na me we ahai ehefa UTV. Yes. So UTV mon krabata ni bi any Peace FM na me bwa. We a Peace FM online. Enye kwadu dan kwa na me bom sire maka. Me metna mo misirem. Hwenkrata ye krami. Poor education to affect Ghana's human resources. We a Peace FM online.
Why they can here?
Oh, a World Bank. A bank kunini a wo wiase afa na nyina. And I say Ghana's poor education to affect Ghana's human capital. Let's say some of first paragraph.
Okay.
I say about 56% of Ghana's human capital will go waste in the next 18 years because of the poor quality of the country's education system. The latest Human Capital Index report by the World Bank has revealed.
Okay.
It's a patrol. We me na meka a World Bank a bank kunini ana akasa me anya me na meka me pa cho ultimate me mama tiefo no mo so twa bi
zumi good
na afi de wan kasa je na
mama wo flu kakra ti
me pa cho ma me de manu
first just
me de
first me
o hwe we nu na challenges are ekomu in this free SHS and na wo ka ye nuanom say hey ya so wan wasi bone say wo so ba guno bobreko John Dramani Mahama na shase waka o say mingu free SHS na mingu ne chena every say aye omana mamara na mahokwan say wo say di hudwuma enya ade obi ba begu ne enya ade obi ba begu ne chena na mom ye ba ne abehye mu kena ye ba ne abeye adwuma so no ne ahwese free SHS no ebe koso na ade akoso ye na Ghana fo nya ho ne pa Ghana fo ate ho de enya ne nia ena ye nuanom mo ye de wo mu
right but as kojo but so be e ka say those times no comment like JM Shasha na all passing no now so you be review enye on be review but in the am for say what's up because about betena say I want to review now mem and what it to one I say yes
you know man panyin dada John Dramani Mahama e kanyina na say
yeah
there are problems there are challenges with the free SHS
okay
it is so because how be and as a timatobi e wo dwumadi aye di ni mu a sabi o wo de na say wo so bisa se chimato na de he na yempa hu pomasi bre
okay
enti omo pese omo chese ye ka se chimato wo mu a na e pa chese se ye be collapse na e pa chese ye mpe free SHS ana and ye me bisa bom so omo anka so omo deputy minister of education and one no ye deputy minister of education no wagye atom say there are challenges with the free SHS e pa chese na ni free SHS one and also hu krata ni Ghana web we acknowledge free SHS e challenges deputy minister onye ono kan e edutwum and e ka say
so would you fashion free no
mama we nsi apart from honorable adutwum ka asase
okay
ni pa odi mu e wa ban we mu oye nanado danko akufu ado his excellency ni ma mi nuaba Kenoforiata ne ode Ghana photo sam na ahye ne nsa so he Ghana sika so enne mu di ne funya awo mo de bi a chama omo sai no wono so be ka say free SHS no kra no e be ya anka ye ma bi no ntua yes e ba che say ono aye Kenoforiata ne nanado e ko na ka
you ho me ka
no wono so no won pe free SHS obesi eguna
me da say
ye nua no ye say anu atwem no so mu jai
ye ti no enka no honorable me sam akwa ba panyin
ye nua
jo unia de ni mo say alternative ba ko omo famra but omo say abeta so mo nka so mo gu ni alternative na mo bisa no ase ne se ne kwakwa
ni say ma menchia ahwefo nyina na menchia asante man mention of adisha omo he empenfo say usum kontompo fidia oyi kasabre ma kontapa ni o na enumre obi a ohwe ni bia hunu se de na ni asi abre no ofa we de kire ohun kontompo ni bi no o man panyini Mahama
yeah
it's on record Our Kasa Mako 21.
Wow.
Comments against free SHS.
Okay.
No.
Notable personalities or more NDC more or more do or more by J as him. Comments are or more Kasa DTA free SHS policy no way. 52. 2052 plus 21.
That's some kuma.
You're saying 73 me what?
Yes, sir.
73 lifeless defense comments are against free SHS. And NDC. Sabiasi Chewa and Enema. Or my penny Mahama. Any my contact hey. Any or more maka, including a Siudun Ketia, more Moki Camunina, Bab Bontine, Abe condemn a free SHS.
Yeah.
Na ene dear Nessie. Or more train near Madeba. Say, I feel you also support it. And on nature and say, leadership decides everything. And indeed, Nana Akufo-Addo demonstrated. Etimi Amma or my penny Mahama says, Anna Junadia. Positive, am I? Sana ye. Aban Ben now pursue Article 25 1B of the Constitution. Ayam pipi aban Nana Akufo-Addo dano. Okasa no si o enye MPP na di free SHS ne ba ye name we constitution no. Granted
Mo shase.
constitution no.
Yeah.
Said we can ye no. Article 1B no. It talks about introduction of free education no.
Yeah.
By the progressive introduction of free education no. Aban ben enna wa pursue sa vision way under the constitution.
Okay.
Aye MPP aban.
Okay.
Credit to Aban Ben, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo led government. Uji free ni sema enyeyi. Na woka say omo baye omo panyi Mahama say yi block a community day school ni ane.
Yeah.
Omo panyi Kufo abreso. Model schools project. Ye bi obebre Edinaman secondary school praso oko ye Kumawu Twenebo Akodua even CAS. Etino enya ade enwanwa o mapanyi Nana Akufo-Addo baye March ya 2019 si sudua se kwan be na e befa so a because nkoda no obia efi ahodin ne nyina no obi epia nkoda no nyina edu omgum se omonko school to aso eye senior high school no ne say ni no pressure aba no enu ne call for introduction of double track system ne buy no e kwan be na say bet me easy sa overcrowding na e ho ni nyina no aban no de sa community social intervention blocks no amene o ka say o community bi a secondary school bia obia hunu say sa blocks no yesisi a e koso iti o man panyini Nana Akufo-Addo so no ono so aye de o man panyini Kofo ebeye ye ene do o man panyini na Mahama de a ono so yi blocks no iti enye news.
Okay.
Na afi yemra substantive issue no we de na me de ye me nua no ko ti bibi o se den World Bank o kan den o se den World Bank report.
Yeah, it's a World Bank report.
World Economic Forum omo na afi bia omo de friend global competitive report eba based on education. Say amanya omo bo homoden pa. Check 2016 ranking eba. Ghana yentimi am penetrate 1 to 100. Ba meni wo ka say release the current survey eba ye. Who go through ubehunu say 2019 best countries for education are ranked based on the perception based global survey. Ghana ye toso 78. And it tells you say ye move abayenim.
Okay.
Yenimu ayaba ni nyina as a result of reforms ahodo a ekoso ewo Ministry of Education. Etime salutu menua panyi Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh ene ni ebo deputies a omo boni chidom. Ema san hihye ni nyina ekoso. Oman panyini Nana Akufo-Addo. And indeed one of the best predictors of a nation's future success no education. Education. Oman bia o share research baye CSE ope oman a omo well public education system. Omo modi kan 2019 there no United Kingdom, America, toso Canada, followed by Germany, France, sa ko and America say ye beto so 78 Africa hampo ye boy ho modern bebre we South Africa otoso 32 now here Egypt toso 51 Ghana we did well so when they mention notwithstanding enya na Akufo-Addo ho no wo hwehwe
okay
the always ye benya educated public send ye beya programs and policies abanu be rolling out no enipa no beti wase yi na etimi di mpuntuo mapa aba amai bebre eni abre amai bit say Estonia mo hwe GDP in terms of percentage 4% of their GDP ni nyomo de koshe education all because on fees on percent your friend no literacy rate no it take you over their society
okay
enti no ye ni so ade hunu say ye gitum say education is key to development safo adi bi empum ti odia ene ye ntoto na se sebi ngomasua eba o mayim acha ye England Grammar School that was 1910 starting Cape Coast Sana Catholic Mission School say eba 1930 yeto atwaso ene ya babenya abanya wo hunu say da bi Ghana ye education system ya chemu miensa your basic education your secondary education and your tertiary education now basic education now be spend 10 to 11 years no from 4 years to 15 years or say we no and no they are based on the same constitution no kind their friend FKIP no free compulsory universal basic education
President Kufuor time
fantastic you rolling out 1995 President Kufuor time a year juma you implement it yeah Nana Akufo-Addo be o si there be school to us when your basic education but school to us one of the what will be a do sa level na at least what in your massive year nti one so no e bo na edin de na emom no kwan be na ye be fa so a ye betimi ama ya manfo no sa education no ene me ne o ka say yimu bi anim NDC for a benefit kra e chen ye
e kwan be so research be na ye
oh na on health insurance Emra 2003 yeah, health insurance once a year parliament yeah pass it. They walked away from parliament. But Osha a tuning clear you almost stronghold health insurance. A chupa and this is what you ha a yama omo enjoy it. But they walked out. A bin as a see my penny mahama no mago kone. What done in policy you're on record and the records have it. Say against it.
Okay, say be reviewer just will be chem.
And then I'll go review. First of all, check from 2012 elections. How do you know this would be and look, Mame and Kotine, the assembly can ye November 23rd, 2012. Or my penny Mahama and I say. Or see free SHS will collapse SHS education system. President Mahama, Peace FM online, mo ankasa. Source and I'm de buy.
Say no council be review.
Was say President Mahama declare war against free SHS.
Okay.
Source Daily Guide. That was October 1st, 2018.
Okay.
Don't laugh because I reporter. Yeah, they buy by my Koti Peace FM online or the Ojitum. Koto de Nebudre, Jenya tell your uncle. 24th February 2018. President Mahama said that free SHS implementation was rushed. And it is constricting government's budget and therefore needs to have a review. Now say, oh, adia, one normal kasa also be review na ye can no. One kasa will say, adia no, ya rushing na ya kwa ye. Don't forget, say, Penyini Bako, I think Lee Okran, former Minister for Education, on also on record. Somewhere September in 2012, Babe can says, you bet me a year free SHS with ya. I just said 2032. 20 years time. Na yeti hone nkodane bon. Na ye nya banya odwena manfo no se da bi obo ade achede ode amayen no. Ekwan be ne befa so a ye betimi ahyehya amadaache no ye mano ni meye ntoto anya hwe no legacy ye betimi de agya won agapade paase ye bema won entity ye ngomasua.
Okay.
Wan nwene se bia sede o mampanyi Mahama ofo man ni nyina agapade 52% bauxite. Our career sika say worth of $100 billion. The money near Supreme Court eba be kan say o man panyin Mahama nya de say o sign say contract nye de man ni nua eno de mu ye silent ye nya o man panyin na wa ba wodwen o say oil sika no kakra no ye fa mo ye nyina o te ya my rubbish ade na afi mo ye research because see what happened they say you ten kwa
okay
they had a crunch meeting
say briefly
on my panyin Mahama any NDC for share including some of their branch executives and no mo ka che ne so panyin free SHS en de abebo ye ni o enti say oh Kwablani, and then I'm ready politics.
Oh no, two minutes.
No, and then I'm ready politics.
Minim ache o experience.
Because I thought it's one too.
O da no hen document. Wa ko the hen document.
Etino say oba bontini. Na quickly no or done ne homa.
Say who be e bomb.
E bono so ma ye research upon research. Because no
e see o hen some meeting ko see we.
Me say.
Yes.
Me say o man panyi Mahama. On say o community work be e wotakwa. E ho so di ko bomu. Eho no di ko bomu obekaya eno so no de okan ye ni or say President Mahama had this to say or say it is unwise to implement free SHS policy at all cost. Sabi nyansa nim se chinchina o man panyin na Akufo-Addo o se di free SHS beba o man panyin Mahama de kan ye o September 28 2018 ewo central region and also o say I would not have done free SHS now o say me Mahama come in farm massive
see from no na one
see from no one kasa biti no mkoye no and no mo hunu say ade na beboa one DC fo ni nyina enti say wo ka ho asembone a o ma wu enu na ama na dane ne ho aban ba oboa yanyini ni kojo be kana se baby o se na is against it
meaning just about just a minute to
na say
ya point
eni fa ma ya ahwefo so obi be fra ya program no na yenko
yes akunta
honorable akunta wa ke kan say mebre but honorable and me and dispute the fact say na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo his excellency ejitu mu say John Dramani Mahama ashe free SHS ase eno ho nkra na cherew enie
propaganda
yes city FM
the worst city in Chester yaka
you see me buy no
bogus document to catch say me no to one farm studio
my show evidence honorable buy honorable person wa church on yema what me and show
na constitution say am try
etiefo muntie o
constitution am try
me briefly na final do to
constitution am try
kwajo dan kwa me ba okay bibia me ka bia me dia dance bi nkrata ya den atoso honorable buy people so na wa church mesra mo on fa dance bi reference honorable on fa dance
I know you
for reference
even the reference now what date on the paper you ought to me quote here. I just want to tell you, Freddie Blake, also Freddie Blake. But you also have the same newspaper. Freddie Blake in newspaper. And no honorable be quote here. I tell for munche me yepa. Baby honorable MPP chairman Freddie Blake. The newspaper. One more
Ghana way.
And no honorable
on this note.
Ghana for from 2017 to 2019 almost 9.6 billion. I guess the guy that FSH I have 3.6 billion. It's a man penny proud to pan the proud to the corruption and chrono and now say they say Christian school in yes, I mean the first say and ya ye ba be twa free SHS mu ne
okay
ni na do aja to say ye hyase na se ye ba be hyem kina ye fresh stakeholder na ya hwe ne ye de niam aguapono so ni ya ye ni ye ma Ghana fo nya
ya la chi free SHS
mention of mashe bejani mutenika we akojo dankwa so yete no enka aya de ebesi be ko so ada free high school komo no ye dibi na me adum obusu ye be sa hia bi hera mo nyina ase